Hi guys, in the next video coming up, start by cleaning these items in the must for rust. Now these have already been oiled, they've sat in oil for like a day or so. There's the other things still sitting in the oil, but these things, I want to get them in the must for rust and get them cleaned off. This really needs the must for rust, and yeah, that in particular. And then I'm going to use a paintbrush to put some must for rust down here inside the machine where I need it to be cleaned. So that's what I'm starting on in this next video, but this is just like a 1 or 2 minutes introduction to the next video because I'm still working on it. But yeah, so I'm really looking forward to it. I'm going to be referring to the service manual that I purchased for the Singer 348 tutorials that I'm doing here. I'll also have a tooltip. The tooltip I have is with these what I call cigar or pipe cleaner things. And you know, when we use them, they get dirty. So all I do to clean them off, if I've just used like just the very tip, which quite often that's all I use, all I do is I take the cutters on the pliers or needle nose pliers like this, and I just cut the dirty part, the dirty end off like that, and then it's clean again. So that's, I think that is tool tip number 5 recently, so I'll try and write that down and remember that. But anyway, you guys, yeah, come on back later today and I'll have the full gojo here on getting this thing out of the must for rust, and at that point I'll inspect it and clean it and see if I need to throw it in crud cutter or whatever, or just wire brush it or whatever. Anyway, here you go, enjoy.